Hey kids, today we're going to be making slime. Here I have 2 bottles of Elmer glitter glue. I have purple and I have blue. We'll be using these as the base for our glitter glue because this glitter is amazing. And the glue is going to be pretty. But because I had only a half a bottle of both of them, I will be using them together to make a bigger amount. Yay! But it's okay because purple and blue go very well together. So I have our little bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off of the purple and pour it in our bowl. Oh wow, that looks really cool. I love anything with glitter in it. Go ahead and take a look at that. Look at all that glitter. This is going to be very awesome looking goo. Ha! Halloween is coming up though. We'll have to make some Halloween goo. Woo! Oh, it's taking its time coming out. Come on, glitter glue. We better start the blue one while we're doing the purple one, because it looks like it's going to take forever. Here goes the blue. Oh wow, those colors do go very, very well together. Which one is going to resemble more, the blue or the purple when it's done? Goo, 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 goo. Yeah, whenever it's done going in there, then we will add the rest of the ingredients. Yay! You feel free to comment below which kind of slime you would like me to make. Whether it's green or blue or whatever you guys want to see, that's what I want to make for you. Making goo is so fun. The slime literally takes only a matter of minutes. And only a couple of ingredients are needed. Alright, that's enough for now. It is taking too long. We can save the rest of this for a little later. We can maybe add it to something else. I got these from Target. They were $2.99 a piece. So be sure to check your local Target store. Alright, we'll go ahead and put these aside. So here is what we have left. So what you want to do first is add some water to it. I got some pre-filled cups of water right here. Gonna go ahead and put a little bit of water in there. Not that much. We can always add more. Alrighty. And now we're gonna mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. So you can see how amazing it looks. All of that amazing glitter looking so cool. Mix, 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 mix. Mixes quite well with the water. I need to get the stuff off of the bottom. How am I going to do that? Or I just keep mixing. Maybe I can grab something else to help with that. Oh, looks like I found this little shaker ball here. Right there. Maybe that will help us get the stuff off of the bottom so that way we ensure it's completely mixed up. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that consistency. That is going to be nice. Alrighty, we are done with that. Now we are going to add the borax soap. I got this from Target as well. I paid only $4.99 for it, but I got this huge box. You can see how many ounces are in there. 4 pounds. Jeez Louise. Okay, so I'm gonna use this because you only need a tablespoon, or a half a tablespoon. I'm gonna use this to get 1 tablespoon out. If you can see, that's about how much I'll be using. And then I'm going to mix it in this nifty little cup. And now we're gonna mix. Once we are done mixing this, I will add a little tiny bit at a time, just so that way we can make sure our goo doesn't get too hard or it's not too thin. Because I've actually made it where it was way too thin and it just stuck to my hands the whole time. Alrighty. Now we are going to mix some of this water in here. We're going to do a little bit at a time so that way we don't get it too firm. Yeah. Now we mix. Now see how it's turning into slime there? So just mix. It's sliming up pretty well here. Just keep mixing till you get the firmness that you guys are looking for. Definitely think it's a little bit too sticky, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. A little bit more of our borax water solution. Mix. Alright, it's time to touch it. Let's see. That's stuck. Okay, put this over here. So, here it is. Our glue and water and borax. Looks like it's still really sticky. We might need to add more, but it feels pretty firm, so I'm not sure. You just have to keep messing with it until you make it the desired consistency that you were looking for. Look how pretty this came out. See all of that glitter? It's like perfect. Mix. I could add more, but I'm afraid I don't want it to get it too firm. Might need to add a little bit more of borax. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a little bit more of the borax. I hope this doesn't make it too hard. But, there we go. Perfect. So now, when it's not sticking to your hands, you have finally finished the process and made glue. And you can see it's not too hard. It's not too slimy. It's not sticking to my hands now. And just look at this amazing color that we made. Just look how cool that is. So cool. Nice consistency. And now you have glitter glue and you can use it for whatever you want. Yay! Please feel free to comment below if you would like me to make any other colors or if there's anything you guys would like to see. Also, go ahead and hit like if you liked our video. And feel free to subscribe to our channel for more fun activities coming up. We do all kinds of learning on this channel, fun playing with toys reviews videos, surprise eggs, slime videos. We do everything on this channel, whatever you guys would like. So definitely hit subscribe on the bottom left hand corner of this video and feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.